The Xiaomi 15s Pro was launched by the company earlier this year, with its in-house 3nm 10-core Ring 01 chipset. Now, a tipster claims that Xiaomi is working on a successor to the handset, which could arrive as the Xiaomi 17s Pro. The upcoming smartphone is likely to ship with a second-generation's Ring 02 chip. Xiaomi 15s Pro arrives in 2026. The Xiaomi 17s Pro has a 6.73-inch 2K OLED LTPO display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and Xiaomi's ceramic glass 2.0 protection. It includes an in-display fingerprint sensor and an IP68 rated dust and water-resistant build. It sports a Leica-backed triple rear camera unit including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, accompanied by two 50-megapixel sensors. It has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The Xiaomi 15s Pro packs a 7000 mAh plus battery with 90W wired and 50W wireless fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.